apple. Apple is red and sweet. B for ball. I love to play with my ball. C for cat. The cat says meow, meow. D for dog. The dog is my friend. E for elephant. The elephant is big and strong. F for fish. Fish swims in the water. G for goat. The goat gives us milk. H for hat. I wear a hat on my head. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. J for juice. I like mango juice. K for kite. My kite flies high. L for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. M for monkey. The monkey jumps on trees. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. O for orange. Orange is full of vitamin C. P for parrot. The parrot can talk. Q for queen. The queen wears a crown. R for rabbit. The rabbit runs very fast. S for sun. The sun gives us light. T for tiger. The tiger is strong and brave. U for umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain. V for van. The van takes us to school. W for watch. I wear a watch on my wrist. X for xylophone. I play music on a xylophone. Y for yo-yo. The yo-yo goes up and down. Z for zebra. The zebra has black and white